All right, just scored this from Habitat today. It is a 52-inch Hunter original in polished brass. Complete new old stock in the box. I just got done putting it up here. And it looks great. Oh, I absolutely love it. Has the switch blades, it has the walnut side facing down, but it has oak on the other side here, which I never really cared for, so walnut it is. Like I said, it is from 1989, and the model number on it is 23574, which is for polished brass or bright brass. It even came with the original pull chain extension, came with the original oil, which I did not use. I put new oil in it, and a balancing kit. Whole thing came in the box. Absolutely stunning. It's a 4-blade model only, which I prefer the originals with 4 blades anyway. So before we get into the fan, let's take a look at the box here because there are some goodies on that. So it was purchased new at Kmart, of all places. Kmart, the saving place right there. And you can tell what they paid. The total was $190.64. Looks like they paid in cash too, so that's always cool to know. September 10th of 1989 is when they bought it at 11:35 a.m. I'll probably do a little research, see if I can find, I don't know if that's no, that's probably the stock number for the fan, but maybe that might be the store number for the Kmart store, but I don't know. And you know, this was pretty expensive back then. Let's see, $190.64. I looked it up. That adjusted for inflation in 2020, that's $406.55. So this definitely set those guys or those people back when they bought it new. And they just never put it up. They left it in the box. You can see another Kmart sticker up there for $238. It was probably on sale or something when they bought it. And there's the book for it, original owner's manual. Even the warranty registration card is in there. So we'll go ahead and go through the speeds on the fan here. I think it's, I gotta turn it on. So here's low speed. Just watching these things run is so entertaining. I mean, they're so elegant. I may put a light on it, I'm not sure. You know, I might either put a globe on it. I've even thought about doing a 4-arm light fitter for it, but I don't know yet. For right now, I'm gonna make the video without the light. So that's pretty much low speed. Very nice, very aesthetically pleasing. So there's medium. And I've always heard about how impressive these fans were. I've never actually owned one. So I'm really happy to find this one as the first original I've ever owned. Go ahead and bump her up to high here. Really impressive performer. I'd say it's more powerful than the Victorian that was here previously. I mean, look at this. Very impressive. It's a 1.1 amp motor, by the way, if I didn't mention that. And I'm gonna keep running it so I can kind of break it in a little bit. Like I said, it's never been installed. So I wanna make sure that the bearings get lubricated properly and whatnot, so. That'll pretty much do it. If I end up putting a light on it, I'll definitely show it off on another video, so thanks for watching.